In the highly anticipated men's 100-meter final at the Paris Olympics, Noah Lyles and Kishane Thompson delivered thrilling performances. Both athletes clocked in at an impressive 9.79 seconds. But was it a case of Lyles smoking Thompson? The answer is no. The race was incredibly close. While the official time for both runners was the same, a closer look at the photo finish revealed the difference. Lyles finished with a time of 9.784 seconds, while Thompson's time was 9.789 seconds. This tiny difference of 0.005 seconds determined the winner. This indicates a very close finish rather than a dominant victory. In track and field, races are decided by the first part of the athlete's torso to cross the finish line, not the head or feet. The photo finish technology ensures these close calls are measured accurately. It's important to celebrate Kishane Thompson's achievements. Running a 9.79 in an Olympic final is a phenomenal performance, and earning a silver medal on such a prestigious stage is a significant accomplishment. His 9.77 at the National Senior Championship showcases his incredible talent, and his performance in the final reflects his dedication and hard work. Big up Kishane for representing Jamaica with such excellence and making the nation proud.